guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Minnie here, and first of all, really sorry. I know that you guys were expecting my updated hair care routine video for this week because मैंने अपने last video में ये बात mention की थी, but उसका एक segment अभी भी shoot करना बाकी है, and that is the reason कि वो video अभी halt पे है. I hope कि वो video by this weekend will come live on the channel. So yeah, probably on Saturday you will see my updated hair care routine video. So today's video is for certain body type, and I'm going to address this major issue which I think most girls face, especially if you have fat on your upper arms or if you have flabby arms. Yup guys, today I'm going to give you styling tips and options for girls like me who have fat arms or flabby arms. But before diving into the video, I want to give this out as a disclaimer that you will see me using the word fat in this video, but in no way I'm trying to body shame anybody or fat shame, because मुझे ये बात अच्छे से पता है and I completely understand that everyone has different body types and everyone has different problematic areas. Like for example, if I don't work out regularly and if I miss my workout on few days and I eat a lot, then I know that मेरे बेली एरिया पे और मेरे आर्म्स पे जो है फैट ज़्यादा अक्यूमुलेट हो जाता है और ज़्यादा दिखने लगता है. इसी तरह से मुझे पता है दैट फ्यू गर्ल्स हैव फ्लॉन्ट वर्दी लेग्स बट दे मे हैव फैट आर्म्स, और somebody may have a very lean and slim waist but they may have fat on their thighs, like they may have their bottom part heavy. So yes, everybody has different proportions and body measurements. तो point इस वीडियो का यही है कि how you can actually flaunt certain parts of your body while at the same time hide and conceal other parts which are likely to be problematic and which you feel are not so appealing. So yeah, I'm going to give styling tips and options for girls with fat on their arms or which have flabby arms. So let's start with the video. So as we begin with the video, let's first understand the different kind of sleeve patterns which usually are available. Now the first category is having sleeveless options. Then we have mega sleeves or cap sleeves as you call it. Then we have t-shirt sleeves. Then we have elbow length sleeves and 3/4 or quarter sleeves, and finally full sleeves. So what kind of sleeves actually you should wear in case you want to hide the fat of your arms? Let me explain you. So begin करते हैं सबसे पहले sleeveless options के साथ में. Now I feel that you guys must be thinking कि this is no option for us, like sleeveless तो हम definitely नहीं पहनेंगे क्योंकि हमारे arms पे बहुत ज़्यादा fat है और वो बहुत ज़्यादा highlight होता है. But what if I tell you कि आप sleeveless पहन सकते हो? It's just that you need to be very wise in choosing which kind of sleeveless top or dress you are going for. Like for example, if you go for that kind of sleeveless which just ends on your shoulder, like अगर उसकी sleeve right at your shoulder end हो रही है तो वो definitely आपके arms को ज़्यादा heavy दिखाएगा और ज़्यादा highlight करेगा. So instead of going for those kind of sleeveless, you should go for those kind of sleeveless which end somewhere between your neck and your shoulder, like which are towards the inner side. तो इस वजह से क्या होगा, जो आप strappy kind of tops या blouses या dresses पहनोगे तो आपके जो arms है वो बहुत ज़्यादा highlight नहीं होंगे और वो बहुत ज़्यादा proportionate और well balanced दिखेंगे. So yeah, this is one option in case you want to go for like sleeveless blouses and dresses. Let's move on to the other category of sleeves, which is mega sleeves, and these kind of sleeves end right below your shoulder, and these are a big no-no for those girls who are conscious of having flabby arms or have fat on their arms. Now let me take you back to the time when I was in my 11th or 12th grade. I vividly remember that in my growing up years, I really felt that mega sleeves or cut sleeves don't look good on me at all, and I remember mega sleeves was such a big trend back then. So my friends who were comparatively thin and who used to wear cut sleeves and mega sleeves, I felt that when I used to wear such kind of sleeve tops or blouses, it did not look good on me, and I also used to look like 2 to 3 years older to my age, which is not a good feeling, especially when you are at the peak of your teens. So yeah, I feel that over the years and especially in the last 4-5 years, style options have evolved, and I think in the fashion field now more and more such sleeve options are coming, which is being made for girls like us who have such fat on their arms, and I think having heavy arms is one of their problematic part of the body. I will address those kind of sleeve options in the later half of the video. For now, let's move on to the other category of sleeves, which are practically wearable for girls like us. T-shirt sleeves or mid-length sleeves. These kind of sleeves are perfect for girls with, you know, fat on their upper arms, because उससे आराम से वो part जो है conceal और hide हो जाता है. So you can go for such T-shirt sleeves pattern. And in fact, अगर आप साड़ी वगैरह के साथ में भी ब्लाउज वगैरह सिलवाना चाहते हो, जो कि एकदम नॉर्मल प्लेन डिज़ाइन के ब्लाउजेज होते हैं, तो आई थिंक इस तरह के भी स्लीव्स के ऑप्शंस के साथ आप जा सकते हो. नेक्स्ट अप आई वांट टू शो यू ऑप्शंस फॉर द एल्बो लेंथ स्लीव्स, एंड दीज आर perfect sleeve options for girls like us. I feel that Indian wear के साथ में जो elbow length sleeve pattern होता है वो perfect लगता है. In fact मैंने अपने ऐसे बहुत सारे Indian wear के साथ में elbow pattern के शरारा का जो टॉप है वो बनवाया है, ब्लाउजेस बनवाए हैं अपने लहंगे और साड़ी के, whether it is a Chinese collar or whether it is like a round neck, a boat neck, or even if it is like a V-neck. I went for these elbow length sleeve options and it looks really flattering and looks really nice on me. इसमें एक कैच ये है कि मैंने देखा है अगर हम elbow length के इंडियन वेयर कुछ टॉप या ब्लाउजेस बनवाते हैं तो उसमें कई बार हम टैसल्स वगैरह दे देते हैं एट द बैक, जो कि अगर हम टाई करते हैं तो यू नो वो ये वाला पार्ट जो होता है वो थोड़ा ऊपर की तरफ खिंच जाता है. उसकी वजह से भी हमारा ये आर्म का शेप बहुत ज़्यादा हाईलाइट होता है, विच अगेन कैन बी अ प्रॉब्लम एंड इट काइंड ऑफ हाईलाइट्स यू नो द फ्लैब ऑफ द आर्म्स. So instead of going for tassel options, you can get you know the top of your sharara or your blouse of the sari or lehenga tailored exactly for your measurements, and don't go for those tassel options. Let's move on to the 3/4 sleeve pattern, which is I think perfect for formal shirts. And in fact for a shirt like this one, again you can see that 3/4 या quarter sleeve shirt जो होती है वो आपके arms को बिल्कुल conceal कर लेती है, hide कर देती है, and then it highlights you know the narrow part of your arms like your cuff and your wrist, and that's flaunt worthy. लास्ट ऑप्शन जो है वो होता है फुल स्लीव्स का. ऑफ कोर्स गिवन द वेदर कंडीशंस, इन केस इट्स टू हॉट देन यू वुड वांट टू स्किप फुल स्लीव ऑप्शंस, बट डेफिनेटली इफ it's slightly colder or it's windy then you can go for full sleeve options. Always a big yes. Alright, next up, जैसा कि मैंने आपको कहा था कि आजकल जो है over the past 4-5 years there has been an evolution in terms of sleeve patterns, and I think fashion industry has been making such kind of sleeves which are perfect you know for girls like us who have fat arms or have flabby arms. तो मैं आपको वो कुछ sleeve options दिखाने वाली हूँ. सबसे पहले है puffy sleeves. Now puffy sleeves have a lot of puff gathered around the shoulder and they may even taper down to your elbow or maybe to the mid length of your shoulder, and I think it looks really flattering. Puffy sleeves were a big rage during the 70s and 80s, but they are back in trend, and how, and they look so good whether it's a puffy sleeve dress or top or even a puffy sleeve blouse with sari and lehenga. It looks really nice on girls like us, so definitely that's one sleeve pattern I'm falling for. Another kind of puffy sleeve which nowadays are so much in trend are balloon sleeves, or you can say exaggerated sleeve pattern, which I feel is not just perfect for girls with flabby arms but even for girls with thin arms. Now why it is perfect for girls with thin arms is because having such volume on your sleeves definitely gives an illusion of a fuller body and it really looks very flattering on you. Similarly, in case you have arms with flab, then I think that these sort of balloon or exaggerated sleeves actually don't really highlight the shape of your arms, and again it balances out the other proportions of your body and it looks really appealing on you. Other options which I feel are flared sleeve pattern or sleeves with ruffles. Flared sleeves are basically those kind of sleeves which are narrow on the shoulder but they really flare down, and again it does not highlight the shape of your arms, which is a great option for girls with flab on the arms. In case you want to go for like bell sleeves or if you want to go for like ruffles, they really highlight those ruffles and that looks like a statement, and in case you want to distract and not highlight the fat of your arms. Next up, I want to show you a few tops options which I think will look really cool in case you want to distract people and you don't want to highlight your arms. सबसे पहला option है cold shoulder. You know, cold shoulder tops are such a rage even now. It actually started, I mean this trend started around 3-4 years ago, but it's still such a rage, and I feel that it highlights, you know, the best feature like your shoulders, and it very convincingly hides and conceals your arms, and it looks like you are putting your best fashion foot forward. And similarly, just like cold shoulders, you have options for off shoulders. So again, off shoulders you can wear that will help you hiding the arms and of course the fat of the arms, and what you can highlight is your collarbone. And yes, you can flaunt your collarbone and you can look amazing, fashionable and stylish at the same time. And then one more option is to wear those kind of top which have the mesh sleeved pattern. Like it really looks so fashionable, so cool, it's so much in vogue guys. तो mesh sleeves जो होती हैं वो basically subtle way में आपके arms को highlight करती हैं, लेकिन because of the mesh pattern going on, it will divert all the attention to that trendy thing you know you are wearing, and it will not highlight your arms or the shape of your arms. And I think mesh sleeves are again a big yes. इन कुछ age old tricks मैं आपके साथ share करूँगी, जैसे कि you can wear dark colors, or you can definitely divert all the attention by wearing chunky neck pieces or chunky earrings, you know, so that all that gets highlighted are the accessories and not that part of the body which takes away your confidence. Well, these were all the options for all you girls who have fat on their arms or who have flabby arms. I really hope that you guys found all these styling tips helpful. The purpose of this video was to make you feel that you can go out confidently and put your best fashionable foot forward, and always you know, carry yourself with confidence and have that smile on your face, because that's probably the best accessory you can ever carry. Don't ever feel conscious or think that because you have certain body type you cannot wear some clothes or you know some kind of tops or dresses. It's not about that. I think it's all about what you can highlight as the best feature of your body. And thankfully आजकल जो trends बन रहे हैं, जैसे कि मैंने आपको different sleeve patterns दिखाए, they are actually being made keeping in mind you know the problem which I think girls like us face, especially if you have fat on the arms. So yeah, you have so many options and so many ways to style yourself and wear all this trendy stuff and not really bother about those things which you can't wear because yeah, you are of a certain body type. So yes, this is it for the video. अगर ये वीडियो आपको हेल्पफुल लगा और मेरे जितने भी स्टाइलिंग टिप्स थे वो आपको अच्छे लगे तो इस वीडियो को लाइक करना मत भूलना. प्लीज़ शेयर इट विद एनीवन यू फील विल बी बेनिफिटेड फ्रॉम द वीडियो, एंड ऑल्सो प्लीज़ जाते हुए इस चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कर देना. इट गिव्स मी लॉट ऑफ मोटिवेशन टू सी द नंबर ग्रोइंग. Oh, and also please let me know in the comments in case you want me to address a certain kind of problematic body areas, or you want me to share styling tricks for certain kind of body. I will be glad to do so. So yeah, I will be looking forward to your suggestions in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Take care guys. Lots of love. Bye.